Hello and welcome back to another episode of Coder Kitty Decodes LSL. I am Becca, often going by Nightcat or Nightcat's Meow, and occasionally Gamer Self, most places online. And this week we're going to talk about scale, both llGetScale and llSetScale. Plunk that down there. Since llGetScale will deliver a vector, which I will make clear what that is in just a moment, we have to cast it into a string. The parallel of llSetScale is, or of llGetScale is llSetScale, and a vector is any collection of three floats in LSL. So we're going to reset this to 4 by 2 by 0.2. So it's going to be a very oddly shaped cube when it's done, but to llGetScale is simply llGetScale, and to set it is llSetScale, but you have to supply the vector to set the scale to. So it returns the scaling of your standard starter cube, which is 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, and when we click it, now it looks more like a table than a cube, but if we reset the script, we get 4, 2, 0.2. And that is how you use both llGetScale and llSetScale. As usual, Coder Kitty Decoded are just quick little reference videos on the syntax, commands, and uses of individual commands within LSL, or sometimes a small group or pair of very closely related commands. If you want a better instruction on how to actually use these, I have a much longer running series called Coder Kitty's Workshop, where every lesson is a project and every project is a lesson, where I go over how to actually create things in Second Life using Linden scripting language. And each time I go over why certain commands are used, what they're good for, and why you put the code together in particular ways. A playlist for both Coder Kitty's Workshop and Coder Kitty Decoded will be available in the description of this video, as well as a link to my Discord channel, where you can keep up to date, ask questions, request tutorials, etc., etc. So that's it for now. I hope you all are good. Until I see you next week, good day, good luck, happy coding, meow.